What's up, guys? We're sitting down here by the river. It is Friday as I make this part of the video, and it's the beginning of a holiday here called Bonham Toot, or the Water Festival as it's known in English. And I was kind of hoping there'd be something going on. I did not expect any widespread celebrations. Of course, no packed streets, but I thought they might at least still have the boat races or other things going on down here, but they do not. There's nothing. It is a little early in the day though, early afternoon, so maybe later tonight. Someone also said, I read a post on Facebook that said that the official celebrations for the holiday, the official time off the local people will receive, will be 4 days next week starting Monday, so it won't be celebrated on the traditional days, which would be October 30th and November 1st. So perhaps they just changed the schedule and there will be something down here later, but I don't see anything being set up or anything like that. So I guess it's pretty much kaput this time of year, for this year, as all the other major holidays have been. Oh well, there's always next year, right? And the river still looks nice. Still nice to sit down here. And who knows, there might be something going on later and I can add it to this video, but if not, right now it's just empty.
Empty?
As you can see, empty. No people. No people. Bonham Toot. No. Supposed to be boats.
No.
Yeah, I can see that. No. But that's what was supposed to be going on, but now it's been canceled. Dun dun dun. Oh well. Maybe there'll be something later. Like I said, I will let you know. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, we found ourselves at another little market. This is called thing I know is called name? Bolanka. There is a screenshot to the map location if you are interested in anything you see. We're just gonna do like normal, chill drive around, and I'll come over and take a little walk. We'll walk down Wat Bolanka and we'll see what they have to offer. I'm assuming, yep, fruits. Coconuts. Ooh, the sun is going to be problematic. Little snack cakes that I really like. I like these. These are really, really good snack cakes. I am a fan. This looks like oh, okay. I was trying to get the name of that white stuff that looks like rice. It's not rice. It's called something else. Not really sure what it is in English though. We are of course down here somewhere by the river. Looks like a river day. There's some flowers you can buy. Those will be great for the water festival, should there be one. There's usually a tradition here where they have like a little lantern ceremony, and you put some flowers and a little candle. It's not really a candle, it's more just like a lighted piece of paper inside of the lantern, and then let it float out on the water. I don't think they're going to be doing it this year. But if you get the chance, it's pretty nice. You're supposed to take all the bad karma and everything and all your problems, put it in that lantern, let it float out to sea where it will be extinguished and bring you prosperity and good luck for the upcoming dry season, which is really what this water festival is about mainly. This is the time of year where the Mekong River and Tunnel Sap Lake reverses its flow. It signifies the beginning of dry season officially. And there's all kinds of ceremonies for people who rely on the river to have good luck during the dry season for fishing and things like that. So it's a very nice, as always, it's a nice religious festival that most of the time gets lost in the festivities. 10 for 5,000 real. Eggs. 10 eggs for 5,000 real. 5,000 real is $1.25. Some markets you get 6 for $1. That's a good deal. $1.25 you get 10. Yeah, I guess that market wasn't as big as I thought. It seems to be just down in that one area. There might be more on the other side, but there are vendors set up here. And then it just goes on up there. I like the area though, right by the river. It's always a little bit cooler. The weather is actually a bit cooler overall here right now. It's like, I guess you could say they're winter, where the temperature could shoot down some nice decorative vases and other wooden things. But the temperature can drop to like below 70 degrees Fahrenheit sometimes. People get cold here. The locals get cold. And I noticed the clothing stores in the front, they're putting out their selection of hoodies and jackets and heavy coverings. So obviously people are buying them. Got more flowers here, more eggs, apples, oranges, dragon fruit. Got all kinds of good stuff here. And this stuff again, and I'm still not sure what it is. If anybody knows, let me know. What is that? She told me in Khmer, but I don't know what it is in English. Yeah, no, Khmer, no English though, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Walking through the brush. Should have walked around the other side of that tuk-tuk. You never know what's lurking in this grass. Could be anything from snakes to fire ants. You never know. Nothing pleasant though. Oh, now I know where we are. We're over back at name again? What? Or Sa? Yeah, Sampung Krang. That's right. We were here before. So this must all be a big roundabout of vendors and food stalls.
want to eat and to have like.
All right, I think she wants to eat, so we're going to lock out the bike. Go across the street there. They have a lot of stalls on the outside that serve food, different kinds of food, and talk to you guys later. All right, guys, this is our second location. Again, screenshot will be. The link to the screenshot will be in the description if you want to know where it is. This one I'm not sure of the name, but it's another little market over by Road 60, Charles de Gaulle Avenue, over in that general area. They have clothes, a couple little nice pop-up restaurants, which I always like. I think Sanglai more likes the clothes. Look at that. You get your PJs here. Standard going out gear. Toys. Got some toys. Got some hats. It's a small little market right here on the corner, the intersection. Across from the Academy of Pediatrics. Yeah. Here we have de Gaulle coffee. I think that's about it for this. But the one thing, I've said it before, I say it again, the one thing I really like about Cambodia is that you will find little markets, big markets, mom and pop stores, shops, coffee stands, fruit vendors, almost anything you want, almost anywhere you go. Even in the most remotest rural areas, all the way to the parts of town like this that has a lot of traffic and other things. Wherever people can set up, that is where they will be. And it's never a bad thing to stop and see what they have. You never know what you could find. In this case, nothing much, but still, we're out this way anyway. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Kitty, kitty, kitty. There's another cat. Ever present. Another little food stall in the back. And even when we pulled up, there were a lot of people walking up this way, like in groups. I don't know if that has something to do with the hospital or what. I'm assuming it is for some reason. Maybe they're having a benefit. Maybe there's a party going on. Or, more than likely, now that I think about it, the beginning of Bonham Tuk. Maybe there's a ceremony going on somewhere. And like most holidays here, it's very family and community oriented. All these festivals for the various holidays. They hold deep traditions and different forms of Buddhism and also some Hindi thrown in there for good measure. Yeah, looks like nothing down here except a bunch of guest houses. Rumina. Chan Ray Angkor guest house. Lei Sang Heng up ahead guest house. And then some looks like buildings under construction. Yeah. Keep going. Okay. She's motioning for me to keep going. I don't know why. She's going to go back and get the motorbike. Well, guess we can see what's up here, but very big speed bump right there. It's weird, you go up that main road where there's a whole lot of traffic and congestion. Get on some of these side roads, nothing but pedestrians, it seems like. All the cars and vehicles are parked. Seems to be pretty nice and peaceful little neighborhood. And apparently there's something up here, or at least Sanglai thinks there is something up here. Oh my. Then a couple of abandoned coffee carts. Yeah, man, you might be able to pick them up cheap. I'm sure somebody would like the extra money. Start your own coffee business. I told Sanglai that might be a good idea for her. Because the place across the street where I got my coffee every day. Oh, okay. That goes over there. And this goes down there. But the place I got my coffee every day closed because of the construction that was going on. They had to take out most of their building to be in compliance, and so they moved locations, and they're trying to sell or rent the building they had, but it is kind of small. Here's an old spooky Halloween building for you. That would be pretty cool at night. We can go ghost hunting. Looks like we have a couple siesta huts here, which I like, and that's it. Dead end. Nothing else here. Hello. I didn't mean to bother the poor family on their property. I just assumed there was something back here. Luckily over here, their first thought isn't you're threatening, they're going to shoot. It's they're pretty cool. So that was this road and the little market for the neighborhood. Here comes Sanglai finally. Hey! Let's see if I put up my thumb. See if she'll stop and pick me up. Hey, I don't have any money, but I can pay for the ride in another way, if you know what I mean. Wink, wink. Yeah. Okay. That was my best attempt at seduction. I am not good at it. Okay, let me get on, and she will do something. Nothing down there. Well, she might. Maybe she won't. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh. So you guys wanted to hear some natural ambient sound while we drive around, and me grunting and groaning every time I come across an especially hard bump. This is your chance. It wasn't planned, but there we go. Show you a little bit of the city. I'm trying to do my best to keep the wind noise to a minimum. With the camera adjusted correctly. As you can see, it has traffic lights. I was talking about this in my driving video. It's like the bikes are just going on the left, on the right of all the cars because they don't want to wait. You've only got 30 seconds at this light to do what you need to do, and waiting for two lights, it's unthinkable. Unthinkable, I say. So we'll see how Sanglai handles this. I would have already been in front of this silver car. I'm just saying. I think they stopped too far back. What do you think? Oh, and there we go. We are now red again. There you go. Yeah. And she's just going to go anyway. Rules don't matter. Damn the rules. Like I said, there's no cops or anything out on patrol. They're not. You're not going to get pulled over by the popo and ask why didn't you stop? So I guess why not? Buses are coming back. Haven't seen those in a while. If you remember in previous videos, we used to see buses all over town. Because of course a lot of inter-province travel. Looks like that's picking back up again. That's good news. It's a beautiful night. It did rain earlier. I'm gonna have a couple special videos coming up for you guys. First, we are going to see another animal person. Yay! This weekend, going to be doing an interview, seeing her volunteers for her little organization. And are we stopping?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll be doing that full interview and giving it to you. And then, oh, no, I lost my train of thought. I wasn't expecting her to stop right here. Don't know where we are. But, and then, we're going to have another special, oh yes, if you don't know what Rando Nautica is, I will explain it in that video. That'll probably be the next one, actually. And, we're going to go with Luke and a leap and go Rando Nauticing. If you don't know what that is, you can Google it right now to get prepared, but I will explain it a little bit in the video. And we'll see what kind of weirdness we can find from some random coordinates on the map. Sounds like an adventure to me. Ooh. I think she just likes taking me out to look at places where I'm definitely going to get my flip-flops wet. Yeah, I'm not going to go all the way down there. This road is look at that. From the rain today. I think I am just going to get out to the side of the road, let the bikes through, and go back. There we go, gasoline right there. A little bit cheaper than the gas station. You just pull up, they'll pop it right into your tank. All right, getting back on the bike. Okay. What are you doing? You forgot to start it. Very important first step. Wait, where are you going? Oh. Hey, home, James. Yes, on our way home. This is now looking familiar. Another old abandoned building. That is really sad to see because these are all very nice buildings. Architecturally, they look pretty good. But of course,